Hi, this is a Cossor 917 that I've had to do. Now, it's these are not the easiest TVs to work on. They've got an awkward chassis arrangement, and unfortunately it's awkward to get into some of the bits because of the depth. We don't have the right tube, and unfortunately the tubes I've got, they're 9 inch, and I don't have anything really to support it. I've only on myself at the moment. I don't want to ask my wife to help me because she's unaware of the risks regarding these tubes. So again, I tried to cobble in my MW6-2, and unfortunately something's wrong with my scan coils. They're cooking, so it looks as if they've got a short. Now, you can see there is something on that screen. It's dreadfully out of focus, obviously, because there's no focus. But you can actually see there is an image on there. If I change the pattern, that's a test card hiding in there somewhere, and that's steps. You can just about make out the steps, but that's the news on one of the channels, so we can see that there is an image there. The contrast brings it up and down, so the contrast button, sound I haven't connected speaker up yet, to be fair, so we need to do that. What I might try and do tomorrow is remove the actual focus focus coil assembly off this. I just take the scan coils off and put the coils on along with the TV's own scan coils here, and see if we can focus it up a bit. But we can see it works. You know, there's EHT there, so there wouldn't be if there'd be no screen lighting if there was no EHT. It's locked. You can adjust the frame and the line hold and it locks up. You can see that fine, and you can also see that obviously on the scope. So I'm pretty confident the TV's fixed. It's working, but unfortunately this unusual way of doing it isn't the best. But I have done this before in the past if I've been short of a tube. The MW6-2 runs quite happily with 5-6 kilovolts and gives you a nice bright picture. So it's a good tube for a TV project, for a kit. And also we discover that even using an ordinary set of scan coils will work in it. So there we are. Yeah, we can also check the linearity and everything properly doing it this way as well without the tube. So not the best way to do something, but needs must in this case. And there, yeah, we can see that everything's going. New AY51s in there. We've had problems with the valve bases. Valve bases I got from eBay were no good. They were rubbish. So I've had to cannibalise a valve base out of a radio, unfortunately, to get this to go. But there we are. Another one of my Frankenstein jobs, if you like. But certainly in this instance it's been done so as it makes it a little bit easier for me, you know. But what I'll try and do though is I'll try and cobble in those coils, focus coils, put some voltage on it and try and focus it up till we get a good idea of what it looks like. One thing I have discovered today is the brightness control's faulty, so that will need to be replaced as well. I should be able to find ones for that somewhere and amongst all the stuff I've got. So that's it. Okay, thanks guys for looking at this. Cheers for now. Bye.